An upright press is a versatile, heavy-duty tool designed for any shop that needs reliable power for pressing, bending, and straightening tasks. When your shop needs reliable strength in a press, look to OTC for the most versatile line of shop presses and accessories, from 12 tons up to 100 tons of force. The 1824A Economy Press delivers robust 20-ton pressing force, making it ideal for removing and installing gears, bearings, bushings, and more. The fixed-position 20-ton bottle jack features a 7.5-inch stroke for a wide range of applications, with a multi-position lower bolster to handle large components. Upgrade to a ram-style press, like the 1826 or 1833, for a ram-style press for off-center pressing and more versatility with an open-throat design for bulky jobs and pressing outside of the frame. Power options include bottle jacks, hydraulic hand pump, electric hydraulic pump, and air-over hydraulic pump for the best option to fit your shop's needs. Premium models feature a speed crank forcing screw, moving the ram closer to the workpiece for faster, more efficient pressing. Certain presses also use a crank-adjustable press bed to quickly raise the lower bolster. Enhance your shop's press with a wide variety of accessories, including V-blocks, step plates and adapters, pushing adapters, bearing splitters, and more. Delivering industrial-grade performance, OTC Shop Presses are the preferred option for pressing, bending, and straightening tasks, as well as the removal and installation of mechanical components like gears and bearings. OTC Shop Presses combine power, stability, and versatility, allowing you to work smarter, not harder, to beat the flat rate.